Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on Facebook without monetization. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very easy way to make money on Facebook, even if you are a complete beginner, just getting started today with 0 followers. So without any time wasting, let's get right into it. Now, as you guys already know, Facebook has, a few different monetization options within their platform. And one of the ways that you can monetize your Facebook page is to tap into the Facebook Reels. Okay, so this is where you actually allow Facebook to put things like ads on your Reels, and in exchange, Facebook actually pays you, a few pennies as a reward for just having those ads within your Reels. It's very similar to YouTube ads, where you let Google put ads, before or during your videos or after your videos, and then in exchange for that, Google pays you a tiny little commission. So now the Facebook Reel monetization feature is only available to a select few. So not everybody has access to this program. Okay, I personally don't have access to this program. And the reason for that is because you need to be invited to the program. As you can see, you must be invited to the program. It's not something that you can just go out there and just apply and just join for free or whatever the case may be. So you will need to have an account that, obviously has a ton of followers, is very active on Facebook, and kind of, meets their eligibility criteria. As you can see right here, they have different eligibility criteria, but the most important one here is just, making sure that you are invited for the program, even if you meet all those criteria. Okay. Another way that you can monetize your Facebook page is to use the in-stream ads. Again, this is where, Facebook actually places ads in your qualifying videos, be it a live or a video that you've just uploaded on your Facebook. So again, this is how some people are actually making money on Facebook. Then again, there's requirements and, all the rules. You need to have at least 5,000 followers, 60,000 total minutes in the last 60 days. Like, it's just a lot of, requirements to qualify for this particular, stream of income. Again, as you can see, it can be very difficult if you're just getting started to tap into this Facebook monetization rules. Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is a strategy that I personally use myself on Facebook to actually make money without necessarily relying on all those programs, guys. So if you're not eligible for the program or you've not been invited, then this is another powerful, it's actually an even better way to make money using Facebook Reel. If you're only relying on the ads money, it's not really going to be substantial. Like, for 1 million views, I've seen videos of, creators getting a few $100s for videos that have like millions of views. So it's not really a sustainable business strategy. So let's just go right ahead and talk about this strategy. Okay, so to get started with the strategy, you are going to need a product to sell. And a great platform to check out, guys, is none other than clickbank.com site. So ClickBank is an affiliate marketing website. So basically, they have a ton of different products that have already been created, guys, and are being sold by other sellers, and that you can literally promote, right, and earn a percentage commission every time somebody buys via your link. So what you want to do is you want to come over to ClickBank, you want to check out the categories that they currently have here, and find a category that resonates with you. Okay, so I always recommend you go for something that you are passionate about and something that's also evergreen, because it means that not only are you going to be motivated to keep your business going, but you're also going to be able to make money given the fact that it is an evergreen product. Okay, so let's just go over here, guys, and let's take a look at all the different categories, and let's say health and fitness, always a safe option. We go for health and fitness, guys. Then what you want to do is you want to find a product here that you are going to be promoting. Remember, these are not your products, okay, which just makes it super attractive, and you can actually get started with this platform for free. So let's just take a look at the different products, and you just want to go with a product that obviously resonates with what you're trying to sell. Okay, so we have beauty, dental. Let's go with the beauty niche. Beauty is quite a good evergreen niche, because everybody wants to have beautiful skin. We want to look good. And let's take a look at this one, gut gummies, right? Awesome. So skin cell turnover, understanding treating skin and gut issues. Now, I love promoting supplements, and I recommend promoting supplements. You know why? Because you can actually earn recurring revenue. Because look at this, guys. Every single month, someone's going to come back and buy another bottle and another bottle and another bottle. This means recurring commissions for you as an affiliate, right? So unlike trying to promote one product and then trying to get customers, more customers and new customers all the time to buy the new products, you can get one customer, guys, that can continue to pay you every single month. Okay, it's actually better to run a business that way versus always trying to go out there and find a new customer. Okay, so what you want to do, of course, is, let's say you were in the health and wellness niche, or the beauty niche, beauty and skincare niche. you can easily promote this product, guys, right? Recommend this products to your audience and then make some money. Okay, so what we want to do, guys, is we want to go ahead and just take a look at the product, just look through the website, look at some of the benefits that the product offers, because that's essentially how you're going to be able to get people's attention to the product. Okay, so we can take a look at some of the benefits. Okay, so we can see right here, boost skin rejuvenation. So these are things that you can use, guys, to start creating content around this product. Okay, so let's go back to the product. So what you want to do now is, if you wanted to promote this product as an example, you just want to hit that promote, right? And then that's going to allow you guys to create what we call a hop link. Now that hop link is going to be your unique referral link. So I'm just going to go ahead, create a hop link. Okay, so now for this particular product, I need approval from the actual seller. So they require affiliates to be approved and to promote your products. So we'll need to actually contact them directly to actually get that approval. So not every product on ClickBank comes with an automatic, approval. So you will need to contact the sellers in some cases, which is the case with this one. So let's just say, for example, I went ahead and I got approval, just because we are already kind of talking about the product and I don't want to be here all day trying to wait for the approval and things of that nature. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start creating content, just promoting this product, guys. Okay. And the way you can do this is you can create content based on the benefit of the product, as opposed to actually just talking about the best skincare product. You want to be talking about, for example, how to boost skin rejuvenation, 3 ways to boost your skin rejuvenation. If you're looking for the best supplement to help you achieve results even faster, here's how to get started. And the beauty about this is, you don't even have to go out there and start putting your face out there. You can just go to a platform called canva.com, guys, and then just do a search for Instagram Reels. Okay, this is a free platform, by the way. And then click on Instagram Reel, right? And then let's go back to the website and just take a look at the benefits. So first of all, it boosts skin rejuvenation. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to Canva and I'm going to go to the templates that we just came up with. And I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to create a blank Instagram reel. Guys, this is the easiest way to start making money without putting your face out there. Okay. So now you can use your Instagram Reels on Facebook as well. So if you wanted to promote this on Facebook, you can easily use the exact same reel on Facebook. You can use the exact same reel on Pinterest, TikTok, right? To promote your products. That's the beauty about those reel templates. So what we want to do now is we want to go to videos, and then we want to find a video around, beauty, right? Just put beauty, since we're promoting a beauty product. And then this one looks amazing. I'm just going to click on that, and here we go. Again, guys, we have a whole content marketing course at Funnelpire if you guys need more tips and strategies to help you, create content, market your business and things of that nature. There's a link to my free training below this video, okay? So do check it out in case you're interested. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go click on text, add a heading, and then I'm just going to put something here like, let's go back to the product. So we're looking to create boost skin rejuvenation. Just as an example, guys. Struggling to rejuvenate your skin. Here's an easy fix. Okay, so you want to create content based on the actual benefits that the product offers, because that's what someone who's buying that product is going to be looking for. They're not just buying it because, the packaging looks nice or it sounds cute. People buy products because of the solution that is going to offer them. So you want to make sure that your content, your captions are actually based around the solution that the product offers you. So I'm going to go to elements because it's kind of dark, and then I'm going to find something like a square to just add there. So it pops out better. Guys, I am not a designer, so if I can do this, having 0 design skills, anybody can do this. So you just want to play around, right? I'm just going to go there and put it back. I'm just going to put it there. Let's put something like a pink color, since we're targeting, women. So think about your target audience and make sure that your content, from the colors to whatever, appeals to that target audience, right? So if I just click play, struggling to rejuvenate your skin, here's an easy fix, right? And then you can direct them to your captions, or check out the captions, or read below for more. And then you can offer them like 2 ways to rejuvenate the skin. And then if they're looking for the easiest way to, get the results even faster, There's a link in my bio to help you out. It's honestly that simple, guys. And you can just go ahead and download that template as an MP4. You want to download it as a video. And again, like I said, you can share this in your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, whatever platforms you guys are trying to use to promote your products, recommending products that you don't even own, a product that you don't even, have in bulk, that you don't stock, that you don't ship, you don't even offer customer service. All you are doing is literally just recommending people to this product, right? And then every time you get a sale, guys, you're going to be getting those recurring commissions, guys. Okay. This is amazing stuff. Now, once you have your video ready to go on Canva, what you will need to do is you will need to start uploading those videos on your Facebook Reels, okay? So in order to start doing this, I'll recommend that you create a professional Facebook business page. Now, you can do this on your personal profile if you wanted to, but I do recommend that you just go for a business account because you have access to more features, more tools, and more resources. And it's just a lot more professional as well. And don't worry too much about your business page not getting a lot of views. Yes, some of your content is not going to get enough views because it's just the way Facebook business pages are set up, but there's actually content that is also going to, pick up eventually. If you just stay consistent, you just never know. That's the thing with the algorithm, guys. You just keep sharing value and eventually your reels are going to be seen and shown to many people. Let me show you guys, my business page. I just recently started posting more on my business page as opposed to my personal page. So as you can see, guys, this page has about 695 followers. I don't do anything here. This is a business page, so I'm not running any ads. I'm not promoting anything right now, okay? This is just organic traffic that is coming to the videos. And, I can't really complain, to be honest, because at the end of the day, I'm just tapping into Facebook's organic, traffic. And as you can see, guys, you can see some of the videos have like 85 views, 84 views, 592 views, 12 views, 10 views. So not every reel is going to pick up, okay? But you are going to have reels. You just need that one or two reels that is eventually going to go viral. And when it goes viral, you are going to get a ton of leads to your business. And the beauty about the strategy, guys, not even thinking too much about the views, is the fact that the few people watching these videos are actually translating into email subscribers. They are coming and checking out my offers and things of that nature. And this is what you want, guys. You want to be creating content that actually gets people off Facebook and to your own platform, to your own business, to check out those affiliate products that you're promoting, to check out those digital products that you're promoting. That is the end goal. So you shouldn't only sit down and rely on, okay, I want to get, 10,000 views on my videos. There's no point getting 10,000 views on your videos if they are not actually translating to sales. Like, look at this one. This one got like 1.5K views, guys. That's organic traffic. That's organic traffic, guys. Just so you know, that's organic traffic. This is all data that I can run an ad retargeting all those people. You can see there's people asking me how they want to learn more. So when they ask these questions, I then send them to my link, right? Which is the link to the product that I'm obviously promoting. So the beauty about this strategy is the fact that when you're posting on your Facebook business page, you can run a retargeting ad, just retargeting all those people that have viewed this content. They've left comments under your videos. Now I can run a retargeting ad, guys, just retargeting all those people. And I've been doing this thing for the last, it's not been up to a month actually. I'm just posting consistently on my Facebook business page. So you want to go ahead and create a Facebook business page, and you want to start uploading at least 1 to 2 reels every single day, so you can actually build that momentum and start getting those eyeballs, getting that traffic to your content, and most importantly, getting people asking questions like how, right? Because you want to ultimately send them to your affiliate link, and that's how you start making money, guys. Just posting on your Facebook business page, and then when you send them to your link, guys, and they buy your products, you make money. So that's how you're able to make money on Facebook without necessarily being monetized via the Facebook, in stream or Facebook Reels, monetization program. So I hope you guys found this video useful in regards to making money on Facebook without monetization. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.